If you want to see how I built this tiny house bathroom, you have to keep watching. On the previous episode I have installed drywall and painted the walls. And I finished the floor. On this episode we'll be working on the bathroom. For the shower area I have chosen for a fake marble tile specially designed for wet areas. I have to cut them to length and then click them together so they make a water resistant joint. I use glue to stick them to the walls. Each tile has an overlap with the previous one. At this place I nailed them in the wall to make sure they stay where they are. The shower is a standard house size, in this case 80 by 100 centimeters. I fitted a glass sliding door to save some space. In the meantime I also installed a roof ventilation system, which normally would be used in a camper van. I'm making all the cabinets myself, so here you see the first test fit of the main cabinet. For the main cabinet I used plywood, which I then wrapped in white. I used a universal tabletop which I cut to fit the bathroom. This is the basic setup. It is still missing some wall cabinets. For these I used melamine wood, which is harder to cut but saves a lot of time because it's already laminated. Since I wanted somewhere to put my soap, I made an indent in the shower. Therefore the top shower didn't fit anymore and I had to make an extension piece. I couldn't find door handles that fitted my taste, so I designed these myself and then 3D printed them. You can see the different stages from rough to smooth. I melted some special nuts in the handle so they can be installed easily. This is the finished result of the bathroom. I will make another video about the toilet system in the next episode. As always, let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and leave a like.